Rotate the handle to align with the mounting hole, then insert it firmly into the machine. Open the top cover and remove the ice basket. Pour potable water into the tank up to the max mark. Do not exceed this mark. Put the ice basket back and close the top cover. Plug in the power cord. The power indicator will start flashing. Press the on-off button once to start making ice. The power indicator light will stay on. Press the select button to choose your preferred ice cube size. Wait about 6 to 13 minutes for the first batch of ice, depending on room and water temperature. Note, it's normal if the first few batches are irregular. Later ones will form properly. Remove the ice before it melts. If the add water light turns on, add potable water and restart the unit. When the ice basket is full, the ice full light will turn on and the machine will stop automatically. Clean the machine at least once a week to extend its service life. Add a small amount of citric acid, white vinegar, or ice maker cleaner with water, and let it sit for 30 minutes. While in standby mode, press and hold the on-off button for 5 seconds to start self-cleaning. After 30 minutes, drain the wastewater completely. To maintain clean ice taste, repeat the cleaning process 2 to 3 times with clean water. If the ice maker isn't producing ice properly, touch the side air outlet to see if it feels warm. If it doesn't, please contact the after-sales service team.